Hey, I'm Goldman, and here's a look at the week ahead. Before we talk about this week, let's talk about last week a little bit. Last week, we saw a lot of late week market volatility because the market seems to be in this good news is bad news mode. For example, on Thursday, markets were strong on a very weak ADP employment report. Friday, markets were weak on a very strong payroll data report. Good economic data increases the chance that the Fed will raise rates more. Looking at this week, from a macro perspective, expect a very quiet week. Earnings season is pretty much over. The Fed is in a quiet period because the next FOMC meeting is coming up on June 14th. And we've already seen the early readings on May economic data. But with all this said, the most important data point to watch this week is Friday's CPI report, the Consumer Price Index. Based on expectations, expect to see both good and bad news. On the bad news front, expect headline CPI to increase this month because headline includes both food and energy. Both did surge last month. For example, gas prices nationally are getting close to $5 per gallon. Yikes. On the good news front, expect core CPI, which excludes food and energy, to slow down a bit. Supply chains are reopening, rent has stabilized, and a stronger dollar should help import prices. So again, good news, bad news, CPI report coming out on Friday. Thank you for listening in. For more information, please do follow us on Twitter at SateraIM, and see you next week.